Hey everyone, it's Dynasty and I'm back with another YouTube video. And sorry. We're sorry. Hey everyone, it's Dynasty and I'm back with another YouTube video. And this is going to be an apartment tour. So right now we have the house door. I'm not going to show you guys like outside the door so you won't really know where I live and everything. But once you walk in, you have a coat closet right here. And they're currently like still doing like little touches on the apartment and everything. So I'm not gonna move in right now, but I'm just doing like an apartment tour. And right here you have like a little area if you can make like a study or anything. And I don't know what me and my sister are gonna do with that area yet, but if you turn around right here, it's just like a living room area. This is like really big enough for like the both of us. Like we don't need, it's not too much space, we've got too little space. Yeah. And then right here we have the dining area. And it leads right into the kitchen blend. And what really sold me with the apartment are these countertops. And like this island, it's like a half of island, it's like real nice. And then the cabinets sold me too, like the cabinets look not nice. And then the microwave too. Microwave inside the wall, that looks real nice too. And we have the oven. And we have like all this cabinet space for like the both of us and everything. Trust me, everything in this apartment will be full. And then the fridge looks real nice, like stainless steel fridge, looks so nice. Then the freezer that makes ice, that's good. And then right here, it's just a pantry where we're gonna like fill up with food and snacks and everything. And then right here, it's just like a storage closet. Like you could actually put like extras of stuff like in here and everything, like gas or anything. And then right here is my bathroom. Like this mirror and everything, like I don't even know how I'm gonna decorate it yet, but I don't know. But everything here looks real nice. Like don't mind that up there because they're going to come and fix that before I move in. And then I just got the toilet and like the little side, and then the tub. If you see water in the tub, it's because I had to turn on the tub to see if the water was working. But yeah, but this little curtain hoop for the shower curtain looks real nice too. So yeah, that's it with that. Then when you come over here, it's like a washer and dryer area. I love an apartment that comes with like a washer and dryer, so you won't have to. Ooh, and they're brand new. I was looking at the reviews and the people said they didn't get brand new ones. It's the washer and dryer, and they're a brand new washer and dryer. And I love that because you don't have to waste money on going to the laundromat. And then here's my room. It's an okay size, you know. Like I'm being real grateful because if you knew my life story, like you'll be proud of me. So I'm real proud of myself right now. So yeah, here's the room. When you guys see like apartment updates and everything, it's gonna be real nice. And then here's my closet. This closet is gonna be decorated like so nice. I already have like visions in my head. Don't mind this brown pole because they're fixing up stuff and everything. But yeah, this whole entire closet is gonna be decorated. And plus, it comes with a ceiling fan, so you won't have to waste your electricity on the AC.
But you gotta waste on electricity for the fan.
No, but it's more watts for the AC.
You wanna hold it and make an outro? It's about to be 5 minutes long.
Okay, so. Okay, so.
I didn't want to get you. You don't have to sit in here.
Okay, so everyone, that is my apartment tour. And I'm actually so happy. Like I can literally cry right now. But I'm so happy, like the achievements I achieved in life and everything. Like this is a really big milestone. Why am I not in focus?
I didn't just sit there, I was just standing in the kitchen.
This is a really big milestone. So more apartment videos will be on the way. So later, bye.